I'm here today with Keiko, and you had a unique situation. Why don't you tell me about it? Because you were involved in reverse mortgage, but not as the borrower.
I actually am currently the durable power of attorney and actually the conservator of a family friend. She has Alzheimer's, and she was burning through her savings rather quickly. And I actually turned to a friend who suggested that I talk to you about reverse mortgages. And what he had told me, what you had told him, was actually rather fascinating about reverse mortgages. What I was looking for was more money. I needed more money because I needed to pay for my aunt's medical expenses. Again, she has Alzheimer's, and her medical expenses were extremely high. You made it very easy. You helped me through, you held my hand through the whole process. And what was really nice about working with you is that I'm an attorney, so I have a lot of questions. So of course I drilled you on a lot of these things. And you answered them all to my satisfaction. So I felt very comfortable going forward with this process.
So it's been a couple of months since it's been in place. How's it worked out for you?
Very well. I was actually very surprised. I didn't think it was going to be as easy as you told me it was. So I was a little apprehensive. But the process actually does work out very nicely. They just wire the money right into the account. It was a very perfect solution. It was a perfect solution. Because I was desperate. I did not know how. I was running out of money quickly, and the only solution would be to actually sell my aunt's house. Personally, I think it's helpful to educate yourself. I think what was very nice about this process, and I'm being very sincere about this, is that you took the time to explain it to me. I had the impression that reverse mortgages worked the way that it used to work, the way that people had told me that in the past you get a reverse mortgage and you could potentially lose your whole house. And I did not want that for my aunt. So my advice is to educate yourself about this, and you were very helpful in terms of education.
Thank you.
Really, you were really helpful. I was not, to be honest, it was not a consideration. It was not an option for me. And that's why when my friend suggested that I talk to you, truthfully, I was a little apprehensive. I was a little apprehensive because of my understanding the way that I thought that they had worked until you had educated me about that. And again, I'm an attorney, so I'm going to read everything. And I'm going to read up on it, and I'm going to learn about it myself.
Appreciate your time today and talking to me.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.